How to add or invite collaborator on your Instagram post. Hello everybody, welcome back into this channel. Let me go to quick and easy and how you can add or invite collaborator on your Instagram post. Now if you have already posted the post, then you can simply open a post, tap on three dots there, tap on edit option. Once you tap on edit, you'll find the option to add collaborators. Tap on add collaborators, select invite collaborators, and now you can search for a particular user using the username and you'll be able to invite them, right? They'll have to accept the invitation before they'll be added as collaborators. Similarly, if it is a new post, you can tap on the plus icon and create a new post there. And here you can go ahead and proceed. So you want to select post right here, not story. Sorry, mistake. Tap on next. And again, tap on next. And you should be able to add collaborators here as well. So it's pretty simple and easy. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.